Hey mate, thoughts on Atom? Yeah, it's just exploded, hasn't it? Look at that for a fucking beefy ass candle. And sometimes people go, "Oh, is this one that will top out above and come back like Marty's play, or is this a breakout?" And for me, it might be a little bit of both. And I know that sounds a bit weird to say, but I think it's more going to be a breakout candle of a bigger pattern, because I'm just skipping across to the 4 hour. That was obviously the first peak. It came up, it couldn't really get past it. It's come down to the range lows, and then it's put in a huge volume. And when you see this volume, sorry about that, sung in the background if you heard that. When you see this volume smash through resistance, it's a good sign. It may drift a little bit down, but it's probably going to kick on again in the not too distant future. Rose put out a massive target for it. Have a look at her channel to check that out. I think that was like double this price or something insane. A couple of things. It's all relative, leverage, short term, mid term, spot, whatever you want to do. But just quickly, sometimes for targets in the short term, if I'm playing on the 4 hour, 1 hour, I'll use the fib extension tool, and I'll either aim for a 1-to-1. That tapped a perfect 1.618. And if we extend this out, I was going to say, trying to rush because I want to get through this. These tend to go in wave of fives. So this is 1, 2, 3. You might get a small 4, and then there's going to be a decent 5. And to aim up towards that 2.618 might not be the worst target. That's about another 20% or something like that. And just quickly, if you want to just check a bigger target for counting all of this as a first wave, up to the top, down to the bottom, and look at that. Actually, that's a